Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to sign out of your Google account remotely on all your devices. Let's start with step 1, accessing your Google account settings. To begin, make sure you're already signed in to your Google account. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, select Manage your Google account. Now let's move on to step 2, go to your security settings. In the left-hand menu of your account settings, click on the Security tab, which you can find right here. Once you're there, scroll down until you see a section labeled Your Devices. Then click Manage All Devices. This section shows a list of all the devices currently signed in to your account. Next is step 3, find the device you want to sign out from. Go ahead and select that device, then click the small arrow next to it right here. After that, click the Sign Out button. Once you confirm, you'll be signed out of that device remotely. And that's it. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.